Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this bread machine, and Neretva was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now I've already used this a few times. The other day we made some pumpkin bread with it. Super good. Today we're going to be making some banana bread with it, but I know y'all don't want to hear about what I'm going to be making. You guys want to know how this works. So I'll go ahead and show you some of the features here up top and inside. This thing just easily opens here. Inside here is going to be your bread pan. You just take this, twist it, and it pops out like that. And then you can put all of your ingredients and stuff in there. And then it's going to be made right down inside there. There's a little thing that goes inside here. I'll show that to you here in just a second. And then whenever you put this back on, just put it on and give it a little twist right there. Here's all the little accessories that it does come with. Comes with like a little measuring cup right here. This little thing here to kind of help you pull this handle up whenever it's done cooking, because obviously that's going to be really hot. Little measuring spoon stuff there. And then you're going to have the little paddles that go inside there. You've got two of them. So in case one's dirty or you lose one or whatever, no problem, you'll be good to go. All right, so up here you have all of your different settings. You just turn this little dial here to change the different settings. You can have things like basic bread, quick bread, sweet bread, French bread. Goes through all of these. You got 20 of them, and then down here all the way to homemade. Like I said, you just turn this little turn dial. You have your start, pause, and stop button on here. You're gonna have a color selection here, so you'll have low, medium, and dark. And then you do have a weight on here, 750 grams. Or 900 grams, 750 grams, that's like 1.6 pounds, and 900 grams is right at 2 pounds. And then right there is what the inside looks like. All right, so let's get this banana bread cooking. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're going to put in our wet ingredients first. Wet ingredients are going to include 8 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract is what we have in here. All right, next thing we're gonna add here is 3 ripe bananas, about medium size. You'll want them to be kind of looking like this, a little bit brown. You don't want them to be green at all, because then they will not taste sweet. Mash them up. I do it by hand. I like to get a little dirty. Next thing we're gonna do is 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 and 2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. All right, that's it. Now that we have everything in there, we're gonna go ahead and close this down. And for our banana bread, we're gonna go ahead and set this to sweet bread, which is option number 3. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it to the lightest setting on here. Make sure you change this weight to the appropriate weight. This one here is gonna be 900 grams. It's a 2-pound recipe. Hit start, and it's going to go ahead and do its thing. All right, so you can see it's mixing down inside there, and it's got about 3 hours and 14 minutes total for this one. I believe it started at 3:15. So we'll be back here shortly, and we will check this out. All right, so our timer just went off, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. We'll use our little thing here in order to get the handle popped up in here. There we go. And then we just turn it, and we're gonna pop this out. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and let that rest for about 10 minutes, and then we will cut into it. As you see right here, pretty clean, easy to clean this up. If you just soak that in water for like 5 minutes and then scrub it lightly, that all comes out. I mean, it takes nothing to clean this thing.